Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
So we're here na at Walmart. Ang bilis lang namin, di ba? Saglit lang. So bibili lang ako ng mga kachupapi pang regalo ko kasi para next time din ako pupunta at magagahol pa, di ba? Mga kachupapi, meron silang mga Timex dito. Ito yung natitipuan ko. Ay, this is that for you. For you.
This one is...
No. Look, beautiful. Mga kachupapi. So, ito $47.
Probably $50 as well. I don't see price here, but...
Ayun on down. I know.
No, that's not it.
Okay.
Probably about the same price.
Remove this. I'll buy this one.
You want to buy this one?
Yeah. Can I?
It's up to you if you want.
Kasi ang ganda ng kachupapi. $47.
Yes, that's $2,500.
No, ganda siya. It's kind of like bracelet, no?
Kind of. You like? Okay.
I mix yung kanyang tatak. So, maybe, I don't know.
You want or no?
If I buy, we should, matchy-matchy.
How about this one?
I like gold.
It matches with your ring. Well, this one doesn't match though. The bracelet match, but the watch here is different though. So it's not exactly match.
Yeah. Meron pa sila dito mga jewelry. Naka-clearance, Bio. Carat gold plated jewelry. Clearance, B. Maybe I should give this one. You know, 23 10K gold jewelry. Ito 58. Ang ganda
Simulated diamond. So all these diamonds are man-made. These are not natural. Simulated. These are man-made.
Okay.
Plated jewelry. Those are gold, carat gold plated.
Ito pa may ibang mga ibang watch. They have here $35.
Ooh, I think this one looks even better than the one before.
Ito na maganda $22. But I like this one because it's much smaller and cuter and simpler, classy emerald. No?
They're both similar.
Because this one look very elegant.
You think this one's better?
Yeah, because this one is much simpler.
You can get this one.
Maybe next when I get my salary, not today.
Not today? Okay. Whenever. I will be here next time you come back. That's okay.
Ito yung nabili kong katulad nito Ito yun, di ba, Abby? So, dyan ko siya binili. Nasa $40. Tapos ito yung mga ring. They have ring, 10 karat gold. And hindi ko alam kung ano kukunin ko. Ayun ba yung survey o itong with facial cleanser. Kasi hindi naman niya yung kailangan. Yung kamay lang niyang kailangan niya So, wala ba survey maliit, B? Is there a survey small? One big and one small?
Doubt it.
Ayan na daw, magki-Christmas na. I like this one,
Like that one?
$34. Ang ganda. Wow.
You know which one I like? The
What?
carousel.
You like the carousel? Ang ganda oh, kaya papi.
Wonderful work though.
Mag-Christmas na kasi, kaya...
You got the snow carousel too.
Okay. Naghahanap kami ng mga ng mga kaek-ekan. Wala kami makita. Hindi namin makita dito yung Ito yata yun, no? Ito yata yun yung... Maybe I think this is the one. No.
That one? We can make our own boat.
Di ba masyado mataba? Is it not so fat? Maybe we should get this one here. I like this so small.
Multiple colors.
No, I don't like multiple. I like this and the brown one. No, they don't have mail.
Oh, no, it's not a very popular color.
This one.
But it's ugly.
Yeah. Maybe we should look there. Maybe it's in there.
Yeah, the leaves over.
Oh, maybe it's here.
How does unlimited sound? As in unlimited cashback?
Maybe it's here, B. It's already pre-made already.
Cashback at Walmart, or if
I know. There's a pink.
5% plus
There's a green.
1.5% cashback on
Red.
purchases everywhere Mastercard.
$4 nga lang.
Pre-made already.
Cashback is earned as points on purchases made with your 1Pay Cash Awards Mastercard.
Chobli.
There's a brown one here too.
Does this look like burgundy?
No, it's more like red.
Yeah.
Burgundy is kind of like a
Dark red, diba?
dark red with a brownish color.
Yeah. I should get in the
Red is a popular Christmas color. Burgundy, not so much.
I should get in Hobby Lobby then.
Go there then.
Okay. Ito, bumili lang kami ng shampoo ko kasi wala na akong shampoo. And then, pads. Ayan. And then, fruits and for my eyebrow. So, yun lang. They have three, no, B? Ay, cute naman. Pag magki-Christmas kasi
Johnny
dito.
would love that. He likes trees.
Pag magki-Christmas kasi dito, parang pagandahan ng mga Christmas tree, mga ganun.
You want a new star? Since the one we have is not shiny.
Ay, I'm gonna put the ribbon, not the star anymore.
You want the rainbow star?
Rainbow? Where?
Right there.
Ay, ang cute. Ay, hindi nga lang aesthetic. Ayan.
This one you can turn on the lights.
But ano ba, it's not look like aesthetic. Oh. Aesthetic Christmas tree tayo ngayon. Ang ganapan natin. So, hindi ko alam kung anong design ng aming Christmas tree. Pero, update ko kayo.
Yeah, all kinds of cool stuff. Mountain Dew, Pepsi.
Mga pagkain, no? May peanut butter, oh. Nutella. Diba? Ang galing. So, uwi na kami mga kachupapi. Pagod na ako. Naka 7,000 step na kaya ako. Ah, 8,000 na, B. Ito kachupapi, oh. $1 lang, oh. Beautiful. Ayan, oh. $1 siya. Ito, oh. Ribbon. Oh.
It's a red ribbon.
They have clip, oh.
Yeah, it's for the tree.
$1 lang.
Tree.
Ito maganda rin, oh.
Nice stuff.
Maganda rin to sa Christmas tree, oh.
And I like it's a golden butterflies.
You like that one?
You see it?
Maganda yung ano, ito yung maganda pang aesthetic. Meron din doon. So, hindi ko alam kung ano bibiling ko. Next time na.
You want to get?
No?
I like
Kasi bibili ko.
American food.
Ito ba? $20? $24? Sure ka?
20-inch ceramic griddle.
So, this one for ano no? Korean barbecue.
I guess you can do pancakes.
Oh, maybe. Here, oh.
Bacon.
I like this one.
That one is $55.
Oh, expensive.
This one
pala.
is
Ah, this one, oh, babe. Oh, they have small, oh.
12 by 22 inch.
Get this one. Can you get this one?
This one is $37.
Oh.
This one is 12 by. It's the same thing. 12 by 22.
So that's 37 then. No.
Yeah, maybe that's the wrong place. Griddle white. That's right. This one here, maybe. Yeah. No, actually, let me see. MS Plus ceramic griddle. 20 inch. No, the price is actually this.
Ah,
This is
expensive.
But there's only a 2-inch difference. This is 20 inch. This is 22 inch.
Oh.
Yeah, it's very similar. This one's white. So this one will match our other appliances. This one won't.
Yeah.
But it's a $10, $13 difference. This one? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the whole family.
Maybe next time.
This is
When I
like,
get my salary.
this is like a stove, but it's you cook it on here.
Yeah. You can cook this one?
Yeah. Pancakes, eggs.
Breakfast. And then we can put this one on the table, right?
I don't know about that.
Because that's what
I
we
don't
do in
know
the
how hot it
Philippines, eh. That's what we do in the Philippines, eh.
Made with easy cleaning. Maybe. I don't know. You might be able to.
Mahaba siya, eh. I wish they have smaller. Like this small, oh.
I mean, 22 inch is not very big. You look at the box.
It's so long, eh, for me.
You put it on there, it's like this.
Good.
And this one is only slightly shorter and smaller. Well, the box looks the same, but this is 20 inches, so it's smaller.
Maybe should I get that one because it's much cheaper.
It's probably lower quality too. So I would recommend this one because this one will match our other appliances too.
Maybe next time. I just check the price if how much. So that next time, I know what I'm gonna buy. So, bibili na namin ito mga chupapi. Ito kailangan namin pagkaano eh.
Huh?
This?
You want that one or you want the black one?
The gray one.
You want the gray one?
That one is better. $44. Try it. Kasi ano eh, maliit na tao ako, kailangan. Sige nga, try mo abi. Nice. Oh, we can do that too. We can get that one. Yeah. Better, so that way I don't need help anymore.
Alright.
Yeah. Kasi kakabit na namin yung Christmas tree. Kailangan na namin ng ganyan.
Did that shock you?
Yeah. Bumili ng snacks yung asawa ko.
It's just for us.
So, halika, mag-check out na tayo. Nabili na namin yan. Check out na. Nakakabit na. Oh, baby, maybe it's gonna break. You didn't remove the the tag. You didn't remove the tag.
I'm gonna move it. Hold on. Okay, there we go. You'll be okay.
Dito na kami sa bahay.
This is a measuring stick for the snow. There we go. And if you want the light, then we have to put battery in there, but I think we're not going to do that.
And what if someone's stealing it?
Or if they want it that bad, they can have it. There it is.
It's wiggling.
That's how it is. Measuring stick for snow.
Okay. So, let's go. Hi, mga chupapis. Kauwi lang namin.
Go right ahead, handsome.
Oh, hi, Will. Hi. So, ito yung binili na pagdalan.
When you're done there, we'll prepare the ribs, okay?
Baby, how?
You don't know how?
Okay, thank you.
Yes, like that. Just press it. Now when you want to close it, pull this right there. And that's it. Once it, make sure it locks in before you use it.
So you know the guy you added, he's now viable.
Take this off so you don't accidentally slip.
Here, you see this guy? You add him, he's now viable.
Viable?
Meaning that he
In
could-
third strike?
No. In third strike, come
What
on.
do you mean?
Hold me.
You mean Muju? Hold on.
Anyways,
Just be careful when you're cleaning it. I'm glad you like it.
We bought it for $40, correct?
It's
44. $44.
40 big smack ones.
So, pagka nililinis ko yung wall, hindi na ako gagamit nito kasi minsan kulang to. So, I'm glad I bought 3-step because if only 2-step, it's only like a chair.
You're right about that.
See?
Just a little bit. You're a smart one. I like you.
Ito ako jumapi o bumili asawa ko. Lagay natin si Kiki rito. Hindi, we're gonna put Kiki here inside. This for example, Kiki's bed. No?
It's a mini coffin for kitties.
No, baby, it's cool. But it's,
I'm gonna open it up.
I'm gonna open it. Try.
And he's gonna go inside. Can't love it.
So, this one, very easy lang siya kay Papi. Buti na lang bumili ako kasi gagawin na maraming Christmas tree namin. So, ganyan lang siya. And then, lagay natin sa gilid na. And then, I bought cute shoes. Ang baby na mga
That
malambot
was the
siya.
best find of the day.
Yeah, this one.
Cute shoes.
Cute
It was
shoes.
made just for you.
Ang ganda niya kay Papi, oh. $7.99. So, lagyan na natin siya shoe rack ko. Paba, madami na ako sapatos dito. Wala na ako.
Oh, I forgot we had a big bag of Doritos here.
Oh, forgot about that. Dami na tayong shoes. And then, bumili ako ng mga box para sa mga gift. Para hindi na ako bibili ng box. If in case na Christmas, so hindi na ako bibili. Kasi mura lang sa Goodwill. And then, ito rin, bumili rin ako sa Goodwill para sa mga Christmas present. Ayan. So, itong malaki is $2.99. Sa Walmart, nakita ko to $9 yung isang ganito. So, buti na lang meron kami nakita sa Goodwill. And then, ito naman is, how much is this? Wala, there's no price. There's no, ito. 99 cents naman to.
This bag of Doritos from Costco. Here, you can have the box now. Kiki!
Go here, dali, Kiki, oh. Lagay kita dito, bilis. Baong ka na namin sa limot. Sorry na. And then, bumili kami ng ganito sa TJ Maxx. Masarap naman. Bumili ako ng nipper. And then, mga nail polish. Bumili ako ng pussy red. Glitters na pink. Orange. And then, may talong. Ang ganda. May maroon. So, yan. There yung pinuntahan, Goodwill, TJ Maxx, and Walmart. So, ito yung nabili namin sa Walmart. Ay, sa TJ Maxx. Are you sure? Is this the one? I think...
Yes, it is.
Okay. Sorry. And then, bumili kami ng damit sa Walmart. Bumili ako ng leggings. Cute leggings, $3. And then, sa aking asawa, bumili siyang jacket, $19. Kasi naglalamigan na nga rito ako sa Papi. Ang ganda, oh! I like your jacket. Very, very good. Pinapakuha ko siya ng brown. Ayaw niya ng brown dye. Tapos ako naman, binilan niya rin ako ng Reebok na partner. Isang ganito, $29 isa. Ito, baby, the jacket too is $29.
I think the shirt was 26.
26. So, ayan siya kay Papi. Partner siya. Reebok ang tatak. So, hindi kami nakabili ng lotion for the Celebrant. And then, ito, breakfast ko tomorrow. Blackberries. Then, bumili ako ng pads. Oh, my husband gusto niyang pistachio. Ayaw niya ng chocolate pistachio. Ay, gusto ng asawa ko to. And then, bumili ako ng pang eyebrow. Ito naman yung aking shampoo. And then, another pad. So, dalawa yung binili. So, ayun lang mga kachupapi. Ayun lang yung mga pinamili namin. So, ngayon, medyo mahaba na yung ating vlog. So, hanggang dito na yung ating vlog. Thank you for watching. God bless. Ikali ka dali magpaalam ka. Bye! Bye! Bye mga kachupapi! Bye! Maharot ang bebelap. Maharot ang bebelap. Pag sila nagbibigay ng cat food mo, oh! Ay! Wala kang utang na loob. Ay! 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 Bye mga kachupapi! Bye mga kachupapi! Thank you for watching! Aduh, go here, please, Kiki. Kiki, go here, oh. Pinagtripan na naman yung pusa. Pagkabili ko na rin yung pakaalan ka.
Kiki, I got a present for you. Look.
Go inside. Pinagtripan. Kawawang Kiki.
Let's see if he gets out.
Ang galing, no, Ki? Ki?
He's like, I like it.